I have an indicator that I want to see. Why does it take lots of time to make a dashboard every time? Is there any solution? First of all, I would like to ask one question. How long does it take you to make one dashboard? According to our experience, it takes around 1 to 6 or more months for making one dashboard, depending on the scope and requirements. And why it takes them so long? Because, first, data need to be prepared. To create an effective dashboard, reliable data is essential. However, data often needs to be collected from different sources and require cleaning and formats from visualization and analyzed on the dashboard. This process requires a lot of time and effort. Second, dashboard design and development take time. To create an effective dashboard, user needs must be considered, and appropriate charts and visualization tools need to be selected. Additionally, the dashboard must follow good user experience design principle to ensure users can easily to use. Third, dashboard testing and validation also take time. It is necessary to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the dashboard, and repeated testing and validation with user on needs to ensure it truly meets their needs. Therefore, we offer a total solution to solve these problems, allowing customers to develop dashboard time from 1 to 6 months, significantly shortened from 1 to 6 days. We offer a variety of dashboard templates from customers to choose from, and these dashboard templates can reduce the dashboard design time. In addition, the data transmission channel required for the dashboard is already connected to our TPN application, such as Endon, Shopflow, eManual, OEE, and maintenance, and also to master data, the common data space required for TPN. Moreover, your company can upload your own Excel files. In this way, the time to prepare data source can be greatly reduced. Finally, the KPI engine designed by iFactory can help customers to adjust the KPI calculation formula according to industry characteristics or company management habits. In the dashboard template section, iFactory dashboard templates are designed for different roles like personnel, team, or group. Analyze productivity, inventory, quality, machine operation, management, and EHS data, and focus on metal processing, footwear and textile, electronic, and food and beverage industry. It allows executives to quick grasp the operation of the company, monitor the business situation, and use the data to make the best decisions. This concludes a quick introduction of Dashboard and Situation Center. If you are interested in more detail, feel free to contact us via the below link.